Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, a four-seater dining set, teak wood, light walnut finish, high gloss, and a nice concept for when you have a limited seating space for four-seater dining. This has got double carved chair and a round dining, as you can see here. The dia for this is 42 inches, 3.5 feet, and the chair that we have is a heavy design chair. Nice curves on the legs, a 20 by 20 seating area. The height of the back is 45 inches, and the woodwork and everything is quite heavy in this. It has got a slight inclination here, if you see on the side, as per the design. This one is going to Noida, and apart from the chair, oh, it's a heavy one. Okay, the pillar of the dining that you see here is the highlight for this particular unit. So in four-seater, a heavy looking unit and quite nice design to look at. It's simple, minimalistic carving, but still a heavy design because the wood used is quite heavy in this entire unit. Now about the space that we require for this unit. Now to keep this entire set, you require around 6.5 feet of space, 6.5 feet this way. And when you're using it, you would require around 7.5 feet of space to use this set. The 7.5 feet round area is required to use the complete unit. If you want bigger in this, six-seater can be done. And more than six-seater is not recommended because the dining size goes very wide, very big in a round dining. Another thing about round dining is if you see the design at the bottom, it covers a lot of area here. So we cannot push the chair completely inside. So it covers a little more area than the regular simple dining covers because the leg work is quite heavy. If you make it a little lighter, then the chair can move in further and it will capture a little less space as compared to the set that is capturing now. In four-seater dining or in a round dining, generally the master chair concept is not there. So the king and queen chair, the handle one, they are not here. In a round table, generally all chairs are same. But if you want that concept to incorporate in this, we can do that. So teak finish, high gloss, walnut finish, and four-seater dining right in front of you. If you like something like this, you can contact us and let us know, and we'll make this for you and deliver anywhere in India. Hope you like this. The quality of arson, the work of our artisans, our master artisans, and this is artwork, not machine, no CNC. Please put in a few comments. Let us know how we are doing. Thank you so much.